Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use a drill machine correctly. 1. Check the condition of the drill machine. Make sure the drilling machine you are using is in a safe condition to use. 2. Voltage must match the drilling machine. 3. Select the appropriate drill bit. Before we start using a drilling machine, make sure we know the type of material and its thickness so that it is suitable for its use. 4. Install the drill bit. Install the drill bit correctly. Tighten it with a special wrench. 5. Make a point on the material, plate or iron. Make a point on the material to be drilled by typing drip, with the aim that at the start, the drill bit does not miss. 6. Set the engine speed according to the table. Make sure the engine speed does not exceed the usage table. 7. Start the engine, turn on the drill machine properly. 8. Make sure the drilling machine is in an upright position. The position of the drilling machine must be perpendicular to the plane to be drilled, so that the drill bit is not easily broken and the hole is straight. 9. Prepare coolant. The function of the coolant, among others, is to smooth the rotation the drill bit that rubs against the material. 10. Turn off the machine after use. Make sure the material you drill holes in is appropriate.